Morning student, welcome to the online math class, and this is a class 9th. So today I explain the form of a cylinder, and also I will give you some formulas that is related with the cylinder, and I feel you have to do all these formula properly, and you are not have any type of problem related with this cylinder figure and dimensions and formulas. So we have to start our new exercise 13.2. For starting this exercise, first of all, I have to request that you have to take all these formula with inside of the book. You have to write, or where you have to write in your notebook. So you have to take it here, and then after you have to see this video. Then this video is quite easy, and you have to understood what I am says in this question or a exercise. Okay, so the exercise is 13.2. Here the first question is the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of the height is 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. So here the curved surface area is given. So what is the meaning of curved surface area? To see this is a cylinder. Okay, so in this cylinder, what is the meaning of curved surface area? Only you have to consider these side and this side area. Only this side area you have to consider. Only circular area you have to consider. Then that time this is converted into curved surface area. Okay, so curved surface area given here and height also given here. Then after you have in this question you have to find the diameter of the base. So that's mean you have to find the diameter, height and curved surface area is given in this question. So here h is given, h is equal to 14 centimeter, and CSA यानी कि curved surface area is 88 centimeter square, and you have to find the radius. Then what is the formula? I will tell you. The CSA यानी कि curved surface area is equal to 2 pi r h. Here the curved surface area is given is 88. Okay, curved surface area given is 88, and also 2, just like that pi की at the place of pi. So at the place of pi you have to put the value 22 upon 7, and r you have to find. So you have to left it, and h is 14. And then after, what you have to do, 7 is in the form of divide, so this is going there in the multiplication form, or either be 7 is cut with the 14, so 7 to the 14, so that's mean this is converted into 22 into 2, that's mean 44, and 7 to the 14, so this is 2, and then into multiply by r. Then after r is equal to 88 is there, and these 44 into 22 is going to the outside of the equal to, so that's mean 88 upon 44 into 22. 44 into 22 is in the form of multiply. Then after it is go in the outside of the equal to, then it is converted into divide. So 88 upon 44 into 2, so 88 upon 44 into 2, that's mean 88 upon 88, and that's value is 1. So that's mean r is equal to 1. Now you have to find the diameter. So what is the relation between radius and diameter? Diameter is the double of a radius, so that's mean 2 into r, so that's mean the value is 2 centimeter. So diameter is equal to 2 centimeter. So this is a value of a diameter when the curved surface area is given the 88 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. I hope you have to understood, or you have to understood and all the concept related with this question. Now we have to explain the question number 2. Question number 2 is, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter. Base diameter is 14 centimeter from the metal sheet. How many square meter of the sheet are required for the same? Okay, so here you have height and the diameter. Okay, so height is 1 meter and diameter is 14. So after you have, when you have to find the radius, then you have to divide this diameter with 2 and then you have to find the radius. So radius is 70 centimeter and you have to convert this centimeter into meter because the height is given in the form of meter. In the previous video I will tell you कि if the unit is not same then you have to convert the unit in the same format. So that's mean you have to convert the centimeter into meter. So for converting the centimeter into meter you have to divide this value with the 100 and after division of a 70 with 100 then then you have to find the value is 0.7 meter after divide the 100 to the 70. Clear? Now what is the formula of total surface area? I will tell you in the previous video. Total surface area is equal to 2 pi r h bracket h plus r and put the value of h and r here. So this is a value, so equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.7, r is 0.7 bracket h means 1 plus 0.7. then after you have to add this value and multiply these things. So 7 cut by this, so this value is converted into 0.1, 7 1 is 7, so 0.1 and 2 into 22 that's means 44. So 44 into 0.1 into 1.7 and then after you have to multiply it and then you have to find the total surface area of the cylinder and the required sheet for making the cylinder as same dimensions. Clear? So by this way you have to solve these questions. These question is quite easy, not so difficult, so you have to do easily all these question. Now we have to explain our next question, that is a question number 3. Question number 3 is metallic pipe is 77 long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter and outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Find the inner surface area, outer surface area and total surface area here. So first of all you have to find the inner surface area. Inner diameter is 4, so that's mean inner diameter is 4, that's mean the radius is inner diameter is 4, तो that's mean radius is 4 upon 2, हाफ हो जाती है डायमीटर की रेडियस. तो हाफ करेंगे 4 का तो क्या होगा 2 होगा. तो इनर डायमीटर आपकी हो गई 2 सेंटीमीटर. आउटर डायमीटर आपके पास कितनी गिवन है 4.4. तो इसका भी आप हाफ करेंगे तो देन दैट टाइम यू हैव टू गेट द वैल्यू 2.2 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, तो आउटर रेडियस इज 2.2 सेंटीमीटर, इनर रेडियस इज 2 सेंटीमीटर. हेयर यू हैव टू फाइंड द इनर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अ पाइप. Then what is the formula? Formula is 2 pi r h and then put the value is r and h and pi. Pi is 22 upon 7, r is 2 and h is 77. Okay, so this is a 77, h is 77 height. Okay, now you have to cut this value 7 with the 77. That time you have to find 11 and 11 into 2 22. This is 22 and this is 2, 22 into 2. So that's mean you have to multiply and get the answer, and that answer is 968 centimeter square. So I feel you have to know how to find the inner curved surface area of a pipe when the dimension of the inner diameter is given 4 centimeter, and then after you have to find the outer curved surface area with the help of outer diameter, that's value is 4.4, and you have here you have to find the value of radius. Outer radius is 2.2 centimeter. Now we have to go the next session for seeing the next session. Next is outer curved surface area. Okay, you have to find here the outer curved surface area. So what is the formula is 2 pi r h, and here the r is 2.2, and then after you have to cut the 7 with 77, there the value is 11, and then after you have to multiply 11 by 2.2, and that get the value is 24.2, and you have to multiply 22 with 2, that time you have to find the value is 44, and after multiply these things, this value is converted this. So this value is 1064.80. This is the outer curved surface area of a pipe. Now after that you have to find the total surface area of a pipe, and pipe is a hollow form. So when the time of a pipe is a hollow form, then that time you have to add these things: inner cut surface area and outer cut surface area plus area of a two base ring. So what is the meaning of ring here? Just see this, okay, this is a pipe. Okay, so here the pipe is hollow, so you the another pipe is made internally of it. So here two pipe is there, so one is internal this value and one is outer of this value. Okay, so that time you have to add the inner and outer surface area, and then you have to add the area of this and area of this. That's mean I explain again what's value you have to add it here. So area of this and area of this. Okay, because the two circle is also formed on the top and the bottom, so that's why we have to add here area of a two base ring. Okay, so that's why we have to add it here, area of two based ring. Now we have to explain how to calculate these things. So you have to see the inner cut surface area is 968, outer cut surface area is 1064.80, and then after you have to find the area of two base ring, and the formula of a ring is 2 pi bracket r square, that's mean outer radius square minus inner radius square. This value you have to use here, and this formula you have to use here, and put the value is 2 into pi. Pi means 22 upon 7, r means 2.2 whole square, or r means 2 square. Clear? So then that time you have to solve this value and find the answer is 5.28 centimeter, and add these things, this value is this, and then after you have to add the total things, and total area is this. So 2038.08 centimeter square is the total area when the inner cut surface area and outer diameter is given there. Okay, now we have to explain the question number 4. Question number 4 is the diameter of a roller is 64 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. You have to see the roller, that is see on the road, that help to flat the road. Everyone see on the road the roller you have to see. So in the roller, a roller is there, you have to see the roller, the पहिया जो होता है जिसे हम पहिया बोलते हैं, तो वो रोलर आपने देखा होगा. तो in the roller, that roller is in the form of a cylinder. You have to see or know what is the shape of a roller. तो सिलेंडर की शेप होती है रोलर की. तो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव ए डायमेंशन ऑफ द रोलर डायमेंशन इज डायमीटर इज 60 centimeter here. So you have to find the radius. So what is the radius of this? So radius is the half of a diameter, so that's mean 42 centimeter. And then after you have the length. So length is this, so length is 120 centimeter here. So length is 120 centimeter. Then after you have to use the curved surface area, that is the formula is 2 pi r h, and put the value of r and h here. So 2 into 22 into r means 42 and h means 120 centimeter, and multiply these things. First of all you have to cut the value of this 7 into 6. So 7 6 are 42, and then after you have to multiply these things, then you have to find the total surface area of a roller, that is 31680 centimeter square. This is the distance of one round. Okay, this is a distance of one round. So one cut surface area of a roller is converted into the distance of one round. So then after, this is a no area cover by the roller in one rotation. This is these things. Now you have to have a 500 rotation. You have to multiply this area with the 500. Then total distance is this. Now you have to find the area of playground in the meter. So you have to divide the 10 into 10 for converting the centimeter square into the meter, and divide it. Then the value is 1584 meter square. This is a total answer of this question. Total distance that is covered by the roller. Okay, so this is a total distance. Now you have to know how to work this question. Now the homework of you have the question number 5 and question number 6. Question number 5 and question number 6 as same as the previous question 1 2 3 4. So you have to do these question at your home. Now in my next video I will tell you the question number 7 and other question, and then after your exercise is completed as soon as possible. All the work you have to do in your notebook properly. Otherwise when you have to come the school, that time we have to check your notebook, and if you have not complete the work, then that time you have some problem you have to take in the class. So please complete your work as soon as possible. Okay, thank you for watching this video. And also one concern, if you have any type of doubt related with this question or exercise, you have to ask me directly or comment me in the below of a video. Okay, thank you for watching this video.